Belly fat loss in bed. Reduce belly fat before going to bed. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is the best exercise to lose belly fat on the floor. The bicycle crunch is excellent for activating the rectus abdominis, upper abdominal muscles, and oblique. Doing a variety of bicycle crunch helps to lose belly fat and tone thighs, hamstrings, and quads. Knee to elbow. Another excellent workout for abs and belly fat loss. Knee and elbow touch and toe touch help in core strengthening and losing extra fat. This bed workout engages all body muscles and is a key component of good performance in sports. Lying leg raise. Lie on your back, join your legs, and raise higher. The lying floor leg raise is a flexion-based exercise that keeps the lower abdominal muscles under constant tension during the entire range of motion. Lift torso. Punch in air by lifting torso and keeping feet flat on ground will help to burn belly fat, butt fat and increase upper body strength. Make sure your feet and lower body stay on ground while lifting torso. Move knees sideways. Shift upper body weight on elbows, knees joined and parallel to floor. Move joined knees on both sides. This workout for belly fat loss not only burns stomach fat but also reduce butt fat and thigh fat. Scissor kicks. Lie down and lift legs, core tight and neck relaxed. Lower one leg toward the floor and lift the other leg up. Perform 2 sets of 12 to 20 repetitions to burn belly fat and butt fat.